Hello students, this is Archana. Welcome to e-learning. Subscribe this channel so you will get all my educational videos. Let's start. I hope you have watched concept of valency part 1 and part 2. Today we are going to start its third part. In this video we will discuss about the stability of atom. Means how does an atom get the stability, or when an atom can say a stable atom. Previous video we learned about the sodium atom, chlorine atom, okay, and we learned their distribution of electron. One thing we discussed, the outermost shell of an atom is called valence shell, and the electron which are present in the outermost shell, or we can say valence shell, that is called valency of a electron or valence electron. Correct. Now what happens if in the sodium atom, as we are seeing in the sodium atom, outermost shell is the which shell? KLM. M is the outermost shell. In the outermost shell only one electron. Okay, but the capacity to hold outermost shell is the 18. As we know, first shell 2 electrons, second 8, third 18. And here only one electron. Now this shell is incomplete. Then what will happen? This shell is not complete. So what we say in this situation, atom is unstable. Why atom is unstable? Because it will look forward to gain, to complete its outermost shell. Now in the third shell is the sodium is the what? M shell. Here only one electron, but the capacity to hold third shell 18 electron. Now only one shell is there to complete. It needs 17 electron. Who will give 17 electron? Who will donate the 17 electron to the sodium atom? It is not possible. Technically it is not possible. Then what will happen? There is the one rule that is called octet rule. Which rule? Octet rule. So according to octet rule, outermost shell, so what is the outermost shell of sodium atom is the M shell, should have 8 electrons minimum. More than can be any, but minimum 8 electrons to get the stability. Now if we talk about the chlorine atom, in the chlorine atom its electronic configuration is 287. First shell 2 electrons, second 8, third shell 7 electron. Okay, so actual capacity just now I told, third shell has 80, it is 7. So complete the outermost shell, it need 11 electron. 11 plus 7, 18, which is technically not possible. That is why according to the octet rule, what the sodium will try to get the 1 electron, only 1 electron. 7 already is there, 1 plus 7 will be 8. So according to octet rule, there will be minimum 8 electron in the outermost shell. So chlorine atom will get the stability. It will also become stable atom. So now sodium and chlorine both will do patch up. How? See, sodium 281, chlorine 287. Clear? So what the sodium will do? Sodium will discuss with the chlorine. Okay, I will donate you 1 electron. So I will attain the stability, because sodium will have only that time 2 shells, 2, 8. K shell, L shell. L shell is already complete. And what will happen? This chlorine will get to first shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electron, third shell after gaining 1 electron from the sodium, it will become 8. So according to the octet rule, third shell is complete. So now as we know, sodium has 11 electron because atomic number is 11 and 11 protons, and chlorine has 17 electron and 17 protons. Right. During the exchange or transferring of electron, the sodium donates one electron to the chlorine. Okay, so electron will become 10 for the sodium and for the chlorine it will become 18. Now you see, in the sodium, negative charge electrons are 10, positive charge protons are 11. In the case of chlorine, negative charge 18, positive charge 17. So sodium has one extra positive charge, that is the 11. Okay, here 10 negative, 11 positive, so one extra charge is there. So sodium will become positive ion. Okay, and in the case of chlorine, 17 proton means 17 positive charge, 18 negative charge, one extra negative charge, so it will become negative ion. So positive ion are called cations and negative ion called anions. So now this is the way how sodium atom turns into the ion and chlorine atom turns into the ion. Now we know opposite charges attract each other. Okay, so opposite charges mean Na plus and chlorine minus. These both ions combine together, Na plus and Cl minus combine together, and what does they form? NaCl. That is the sodium chloride. What is NaCl? NaCl is the sodium chloride. And what is the sodium chloride that we use in our home? Common salt. Its chemical name only, common salt name only, sodium chloride. And this NaCl represent one molecule. What does it represent? One molecule of sodium chloride. Clear? In this case, what we observe, sodium donated one electron to the chlorine. What the sodium did? It donated one electron. One electron to whom? To the chlorine. Okay? And chlorine gain one electron. Okay? Sodium donated, chlorine gain one electron. So, how many electrons are donated by the sodium? And the electron which is gained by the chlorine, that is only the valency. What is that? Valency. So valency of sodium is what? 1. Why? It donated 1 electron. Valency of chlorine is also 1 because it gained 1 electron. So in a simple term we can say valency is the combining capacity of an atom. Combining capacity of an atom. Clear? So this is the valency actually. What is the valency? Combining capacity. So how are they combining? By donating 1 electron or by gaining 1 electron. They both elements are combining and forming the compound NaCl. There are many examples we can take. Okay. So now here we understood what is the valency. Now the question was that in the middle, how does an atom is stable and which kind of atom, or when we can say the atom is stable. You see the atom of helium. In the atom of helium, there are 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 protons. Okay. Now, atom is stable when number of positive charge and number of negative charge are equal. Means proton should be equal to electron. Then we can say atom is stable or atom is neutral. Neutral means neither it will try to gain any electron nor donate to electron. Okay, so the charge or you can say force towards the nucleus will be balanced. Okay, because the nucleus there is a positive charge and outside the nucleus there is a negative charge. So if positive charge, negative charge are equal, they balance and an atom become stable. Okay, so helium we can say stable atom or neutral atom. So that is why helium is the gas and it is non-reactive. It is non-reactive gas. Why it will react? Because neither it wants electron nor it donate the electron. So why reaction will take place? The reaction takes place when there is a transfer of electron, either sharing of electron. So helium is the neutral atom. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and write your suggestions in the comment box. Your likes, your suggestions encourage me to give better explanation to all my viewers. Thank you. Take care.